video we will going to see the four formulas. If that four formulas are uppercase, lowercase, square root and mid formula in Excel. Okay, so if we have, if the thing is, see, I have written the word the writer, the writer. See, I have written the I have written these words. I have written two words, the writer. If I have to make it in uppercase, so we will write the formula equal to upper. So you can see this is upper, so by double clicking it, we have to activate the formula. Then we have to give this cell address, we have to give this cell address. So to give this cell address, we have to just click on this cell. As you can see, the address is automatically filled. Then we have to just close the bracket, and after pressing enter, we will see that the writer become in uppercase, the writer become uppercase. Okay, similarly, if there is a word like cricket, as you know, this cricket is in uppercase. So if I have to make it in lowercase, then simply I have to apply the formula equal to lower. As you can see, this is formula. By double clicking on it, it get activated. So it is asking me text. So text, which text is what I have to convert in lowercase. So this is cricket, and this cell I have to convert in I want to convert it in lowercase. So I will just click here. So as you can see, the address of this cell has already encrypted in the cell. Then I will close the bracket, and then after pressing enter button, you will see that the cricket become in lowercase. So the cricket become lowercase. Okay, so the square root formula, for if I want to find the square root of 25. So as all we know, the square root of 25 is 5. So if the number is so much big, so we have to use the formula. So the formula is simply we have to press the equal button, then sqrt. So you can see this, we have to double click on it. We have to put the number like 624. I am putting it, and then I will close the bracket, and after pressing enter button, it will write 25 as the square root of 625. See, 25, it has written 25 to us. The mid is the formula to find the middle of the number. See, I have written this number. See, I have written this any random number. Then I want to find the middle of the number. Then simply we have to write this mid. By double clicking on it, we have to activate the formula. Then text, in text we have to give this address of the cell. Then by pressing comma, we have to start number. We have to start from this 1 2 3 4 5. So we have to start from this one, and number characters, and we have to close it at 3. So we will give it as 3. So, and I will close the bracket, closing bracket. It will write 673 here. See, it will write 673. So all okay, all good. This is the formula for uppercase, this is the formula for lowercase, and this is the formula for square root, and this is the formula for mid. Okay, bye.